Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm just going to be showing you this new little applicator I bought. It's a cheap little item. Grab it on Amazon. I can link it in the description. This thing is awesome to put tire shine on. Just wash the truck, don't mind the scratch on the wheel. And then I'll be using my new favorite tire shine as well. So this with this makes a great combination. I'm going to show you how easy it goes on. So the way I like to do it is I like to just spray the wheel. Just put a thin line on. This stuff goes a long way, so you don't need very much. And then I just spread with the applicator. And this little applicator is awesome. And you can get in all little grooves, like here for instance, without getting your wheel. It gets right in there. And just keep running it around. It's super thick and soft, and it gets the wheel entirely. It gets all the little grooves and writing. I'll back out and I'll just show you what it looks like after. I'm trying to tape while I'm doing it, so I don't know if I'm in focus. Apologies. But there you go. You get great coverage. So this is Gliptone tire shine. Excuse my kids running around the back. And this is a name brand product, but it's pretty awesome. You don't get your hands dirty. If you look, my hands are nice and clean. Normally you put tire shine on, they're filthy. And it has this little holder here that you can just slide it into. That way you can put it on your shelf and it stays nice, neat, and clean. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll link the products in the description of the video, and I'll pin them to one of the comments as well. But this is some great stuff that I use on both of my cars, my Durango and my M340. I use it on this as well, so good stuff. Take care, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.